Hey there. Frustrated because your remote isn't working on Chromecast with Google TV? You're not alone, and I've got some solutions for you. In this guide, we'll explore how to fix a remote not working on Chromecast with Google TV. Whether it's a connectivity issue, battery problem, or needing a simple reset, we'll cover it all so you can get back to enjoying your favorite shows in no time. Step 1. Check the batteries. The first step in resolving any remote-related issue is often the simplest. Check the battery. Make sure your remote's batteries are inserted correctly and have sufficient charge. Try replacing them with fresh ones if necessary. Sometimes a quick battery swap is all it takes to bring your remote back to life. Step 2. Repair the remote. If changing the batteries doesn't do the trick, you might need to repair your remote with your Chromecast. Here's how to do it. Turn on your TV and ensure your Chromecast is powered on. Hold down the home and back buttons on your remote simultaneously for 5 seconds. On the screen, you should see instructions guiding you through the repairing process. By reestablishing the connection between your remote and Chromecast, you might solve any lingering communication issues. Step 3. Perform a factory reset. When other basic troubleshooting methods fail, performing a factory reset on your Chromecast with Google TV might be necessary. Here's the process. Locate the reset button on your Chromecast device. It's usually a small button on the side or back. Press and hold the reset button for about 20 seconds. You'll notice the indicator light blinking. Release the button and wait for the Chromecast to reset and reboot. Keep in mind that performing a factory reset will erase all your settings and preferences. You'll need to set up your Chromecast as if it were new, but this process often resolves more stubborn issues. Step 4. Ensure line of sight and interference. Sometimes physical interference might be causing your remote to not function correctly. Make sure there are no objects blocking the line of sight between the remote and the Chromecast. Also, check for potential sources of interference like wireless devices or microwave ovens that might disrupt the remote signal. Positioning the Chromecast in an open, unobstructed area can improve remote performance. Step 5. Explore alternate control options. If none of the previous steps fix the issue, it might be time to explore alternative control methods. The Google Home app on your smartphone can serve as a temporary remote. Simply open the app, select your Chromecast device, and tap on Remote to access virtual remote controls. This option ensures you can still navigate and stream content while troubleshooting the physical remote. Dealing with a remote that's not working on Chromecast with Google TV can be annoying, but by following these steps, you'll likely find a solution. Whether it's checking batteries, repairing the remote, performing a reset, addressing interference issues, or using alternative control methods, there's a way to regain control. Remember, persistence is key, and soon enough, you'll be streaming your favorite shows smoothly again. Enjoy the entertainment, hassle-free.